Hello again. So quite a changeable setup as we go through the rest of this Easter weekend. There will be some sunshine around at times, especially on Sunday. However, on Monday, we're expecting the next front to work its way towards, and that's going to bring some heavy rain into places. So this is a setup at the moment where the low pressure, which brought the cloud and rain last night and this morning, has now well and truly cleared out of the way. And for most of us on Sunday, it's not looking like a bad day, but you can see out in the Atlantic here, this next area of low pressure will be driving this system from west to east. We will be seeing a spell of significant rain for a time. Now, in the meantime, for the rest of this evening and tonight, well, it stays fairly quiet out there. We've got a mix of clouds, some clear skies. The wind's easing off a touch. We might just see a few pockets of mist and fog in places, and that's with temperatures for most of us staying above 5 degrees. So any of that low cloud will lift quite quickly as we move into Sunday morning, and for most of us, not a bad looking day, largely dry with some bright or sunny spells. Now, we might just see the cloud increasing from the south later on in the day, and that might just bring the odd shower, but for most of us, staying dry during daylight hours and with lighter winds, feeling a little better than today. Highs of 15 or 16 degrees, 16 is 61 in Fahrenheit. And then looking ahead towards Bank Holiday Monday, where you can see we've got that low pressure driving this weather system towards us. The low might get off to a bit of a dry, bright start today before the rain arrives. And then behind this system, we'll see a mixture of sunshine and showers, so not a complete washout. So all in all, sunny spells and showers over the next few days and temperatures remaining above average for the time of year. Hello again. So quite a changeable setup as we go through the rest of Easter weekend. There will be some sunshine around at times, but also a few showers in the mix. And then on Bank Holiday Monday itself, we will be seeing some outbreaks of rain in places. So at the moment, you can see here the low pressure which brought the cloud and rain yesterday and this morning has now moved out of the way. We've got a good deal of quiet weather, certainly for at least the next 24 hours or so, although we may just see a few showers brushing in later in the day tomorrow. But it's this here, as we go into Bank Holiday Monday itself, that's going to push some rain from west to east, and then behind that, back to a mixture of sunshine and showers. Now, in the meantime, for tonight, well, it is fairly quiet out there. It might just be the odd shower, but for most of us, a mix of cloud and clear skies. So it might just be cold enough for a touch of frost in one or two rural parts, with a few pockets of mist and fog in places. But that will lift quite quickly as we move into Sunday morning. And for many of us, some lovely sunshine out there during the morning. Now, you can see as we move into the afternoon, the cloud will start to increase from the south. So we might just see the odd shower arriving later in the day. But for most of us, staying dry during daylight hours. The winds will be lighter than today, so feeling rather pleasant. Highs there of 17 degrees. Then looking ahead towards Bank Holiday Monday, where you can see it's quite a messy scene across the UK. We've got that low pressure out in the Atlantic that's pushing this weather system across the UK, so it's working its way in from west to east. So for a time, there could be some heavy downpours of rain in places. It will move out of the way though, and behind it, we're back to that mixture of sunny spells and showers, and it is staying rather mild for the time of year.